Today's the day, guys. We're gonna find the car today. So we didn't get a chance to check out Honda. We didn't really have a good experience when we tried to test it out. Totally understand if they don't want us to film, but we weren't. We found out about something the other day when we were looking for cars that there's something called the demo car. It's a brand new car. Someone drives it around for like 3 or 4 months, and then it's like $25,000 less than the sticker price after a year, and you still have the warranty, and you can still buy an extended warranty.
People that work for BMW.
Yeah, the executives.
When you buy a new Chanel bag, it goes up in value, right? It literally, it is.
Yeah, I didn't know.
Mine went up double the price since years ago. When you buy a new car and you take it out of your garage, you lose $20,000. So we're gonna go now to the BMW.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna go to BMW and we're gonna hopefully maybe find a car.
Saw some cars last time.
Yeah, we went looking a little bit.
They have a car waiting, maybe.
Really?
I mean, there could be as many cars waiting there. I mean, you just have to find one you like.
Okay, well, let's go. Okay guys, we are here at the BMW one. Jason, Jesse and I. We're gonna go for a test drive. Which one is this? BMW X1. There's so many X's, I don't know the difference. What do we think of the front?
It's nice.
It's really nice actually. The leather and stuff, it feels very like new and like luxurious. So this is what I do love, right? If it's a little like a sporty car, more when we go on adventures, but I love this. We want to have like leather seats because it just stays nice, and also when you spill food or drinks. So I really like the car. The only thing that I feel it feels a little small in the back. It's gonna be hard. Yeah. And also with like stuff in the back, I don't know if it's a really good idea, but I do like the car a lot. And it goes fast. It does go fast.
Sound test?
Sound test.
Fire in my soul.
Is this better than the other one?
Yeah.
Yeah, right? I think Max is trying to do some test rides with some other cars, so we should like join him and see if we can find some more options. I like those glossy ones too.
A lot of the cars in here are demos. Demos being the ones that executives from BMW have driven before. And so the price tags are completely different, but they're basically brand new cars. I mean, some of them have less than 300, 400 miles on them.
That's so crazy. I love this. This I almost, you know what I feel with this? With this white one? I almost feel like a little like over the top or something if I would arrive in that, right? It's like, it's raw. My Dutch, like, no, that feels too...
Why it's too much?
It's too much.
What do you think of the black with the red leather seats?
I mean, that's maybe even more, but like, it's kind of cool, but I think the red leather seats are too much. I do love brown leather seats. Look, I'm obsessed. The outside of the color I do not like.
So these are some of the 2018s. This one's 2019. This one is, you can see how much bigger it is. You can see the two cars next to each other.
What is this little tiny cute animal in a bowl with all the prickles? Oh, Porcupine! Yeah. Like a porcupine. Yeah. No, a hedgehog.
Like Sonic. Like Sonic the Hedgehog. I get it.
For example, this is more like a crocodile, right?
This is a crocodile?
Yeah.
What's your favorite animal again?
A panda.
Panda?
So then I should get the black and the white car. So guys, we're gonna do another test drive. Now I believe the X5. Wow, this is really big. A charger. Oh, and this is a charger? Yeah. Whoa. Wow. This car is, I mean, this is already, you feel so much more like free, right? Like look at this and the inside.
I mean, we're in a truck.
All of this looks amazing. You're like super high up. Wow. What I love about this one the most is that it's a hybrid car. You can literally just charge it with a normal, like, when you put your iPhone in, you can charge this car.
Yeah.
This is unbelievable.
That's insane.
I don't know how much this car costs. Like, this is super expensive probably.
I know how much it costs.
You do?
I'm not even guessing.
I think this is 55,000.
Really? I would say like
80,000?
I mean, it's a nice looking.
But it's a used one, right?
Oh, it is.
Yeah, so it's a demo, yeah.
Yeah, so it is like a little bit used, so that's why I think, no, new, I don't even know. New, maybe like, I don't know, 80 grand. I would say 55 right now, I'm not sure.
This is coming in at 40.
40?
Yes.
Wow.
But the actual sticker price on this car brand new is 71 to 74.
So that's
It's
like,
coming in at 40.
so that's almost like half.
That's like 35-40% off.
It's unbelievable.
That is unbelievable. Wow, that's
It is certified so that you do get an extra year of warranty.
Well, our budget was like maximum like 35, so that's... You know what it is like with these things, like you're like, oh, okay, but oh my god, you can go step up for more than 5, because we started at 30, right? And so it's like, every time you're like, oh wait, but the newer model is just, it's 5,000 more, but it's like, it adds up so much at the end. Speaker test!
Wow.
This is honestly really, really nice.
The only problem with this though is that it does have 22,000 miles, which is like a little over where you want to get it, especially because it's used.
Yeah.
You want to stay like under the $10,000 mile range.
Well,
Really?
we might drive a couple more and then, yeah.
We'll see what
We'll
happens.
see what happens. Oh, guys, I don't know about cars. There's just so much I don't know about cars. There's just so many, and like there are all these different models from different years and then different insurance, and I'm just like, I have no f***ing clue what's happening.
This is all about the warranties too, so there's definitely like a gap in the years of how long you want the extended warranty to last.
Yeah, he thinks about that, and I just take a look at like how it looks like, which is not good either. Come to the point, there were now a couple that we liked, and I told Max, you choose. Honestly, I don't know what he's gonna come back with. It doesn't matter for me.
That's amazing. I don't know how
Really
you
doesn't
do that. For
matter.
me, color will definitely get to me.
Yeah? You know what? The color, if it's like a neutral, like darker color, I like it because that's my style. If it has some crazy color, I also don't mind it because then I am able to find it everywhere easily.
That's a great way of looking at it.
But then I get super picky about what color t-shirt I wear, so it's like it doesn't matter anymore.
I mean, if you get the car with the red interior, then like
I think it just at the end it just comes to like what is the best deal. Because for us the look and everything, like what is the best deal with like warranty and like how many miles it got, whatever. And then obviously it's gonna be something like what we really love and drive, but
and it needs to fit things in the trunk.
I need to fit things in the truck. So yeah, we're gonna wait a little and then see what's happening.
So Sanne didn't know what kind of car she wanted. She tried a few. She tried a hybrid from 2017, but it was super, super expensive even though it was pre-owned. So I kind of just weighed it and made a decision. And they put a little bow on it. Let me show you the bow.
They literally put a bow on it, and we are pulling up right now to see the girls.
Wow, look at that bow. What? This is it?
This is it.
This was one of my favorites. So happy we found the car. Oh my god, look at it. Growing up a lot in the last year, getting my first place, getting my first car. And it's so big. I hope I'm going to be able to drive it. But I do think it's going to be so nice. Now we got a car that we can finally drive around.
Hold on, guys. We just bought a car. Alright, I love you.
Yes, very nice. Okay.
I was
let's
gonna
go
make it
home
like
then.
some big dramatic surprise, but then I was like, I did. It kind of came up with a bow.
Yeah, you came with the boat.
What do you guys think about this car? So Sanne, are you happy?
Yeah, I'm super happy. This looks amazing, right?
It only took like 2 weeks to find a car.
It only took like 2 weeks, yeah.
This is sick.
Okay, so for everyone at home, a tip. Do like a lot of research online. It's just about trying to find a good deal.
Look at this leg space.
How...
There's a lot of leg space.
Yeah, is there a lot of leg space, you guys?
I mean,
This is both legs. I got room to move.
And it has... Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
Yeah!
This is so sick. We have a car. So I hope you guys enjoyed shopping with Max and Sanne and Jason and Jesse. I hope you like the car.
Yeah, I love it.
I was a little worried for a second because I didn't know you guys were test driving other cars. So
Yeah.
I thought you would be
No,
happy
this
to
is
see that I could like pull the trigger on a car.
I'm glad you did because I couldn't make a choice. This was impossible for me, and the fact that it has the open roof and stuff is amazing. Hard work pays off.
Hard work does pay off. We've been working our butts off for like 2-3 years. Actually longer.
Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button here. Put your notifications on. I'll see you guys in my next video.